smoked ribeye roast. If you bought one of these for your family, let me show you how I'd cook it. This is a pretty simple 3-step cook. We'll mix the rubs, set up the drip pan, and let it smoke. I like to grind the herbs first. It only takes a second. I've got the full recipe written out in the description if you want it. That's the rub. I keep this real simple. It doesn't need much. In the pan, I've got beef stock, a little water, and some red wine. This just keeps things steady. The drippings do the rest. Smoker's running right around 275. From here on, I'm watching temp more than time. That's right where I want it. I always let this rest. This part matters. Just spoon a little of that juice back over the top. This is exactly what I'm looking for. A quick note on this one, I ran the smoker at 275 and pulled the roast off at 125 internal for medium rare. After a short rest, it finishes right where I want, and that's it. Always good cooking with you. Adios.